Alright, Jude and Luna have become fast friends. I think now that Luna's aware that Jude helps to give her some food, she has become exceedingly more tolerant, and Jude is exponentially less aggressive with her. So, yeah, they hang out and play sometimes. Jude, can you say hi? Hi. Is that your buddy Luna? Okay, he has bedhead because he just woke up. Alright. Say bye, Luna.
Bye-bye.
I still think he's more fascinated with her than she is with him. But she's willing to put up with him. Alright. Jude, say bye.